What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm gonna be doing a little unboxing here of the new LED third brake light I got for the Chevy Tahoe. Right now I have the old, I believe it's the stock factory one. Definitely a good thing I'm fixing that so no more leaks. And I noticed as well this rubber piece here on the trim is falling down. It looks like it was 3M taped up there before, so I'm gonna have to just 3M tape that up there. Definitely don't want any leaks into the trunk area. But yep, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this here, and then I'm gonna be installing it as well. So let's get right into it. Don't mind this stuff here. These are brakes and rotors that came with the Tahoe when I got it. It does need brakes and rotors all the way around anyway, so I'm gonna be doing that here soon. All wrapped up. It has this little foam piece here on the back I gotta stick to it, I believe. Alright, and there's that. I'm gonna go ahead and take this old one out now. All I need is a Phillips head screwdriver. There's two little screws here, one here, one here. I got those screws taken out here. Should come on down. So it just pulls out and down like so. Just pulls out and down. This one I kind of had to pry to get out. I don't know if this is like bent up here, but it definitely wouldn't fit just coming straight out, so I had to kind of like pull a corner and squeeze it out without breaking it. There is a lot of leaves and dirt up in here, so I'm gonna clean that out before I put the new one in. What we have to do is just unplug it here. You do want to keep this rubber piece here for the trim, so you want to take that off to put on the next one. But I'm going to clean this out here, and then I'm going to put the new one in. Alright, it's all cleaned out. So I got that little foam piece stuck to the back of this now. So now I just got to put that rubber piece on and plug it back in, and we should be good to go. I'm gonna plug it in here and see if it works first. So I tested it and it works. So here it is. This is the brake light. Took the plastic off. Put that sticky cushion. I put that sticky foam piece on the back, and I put the rubber trim around it. So now it's ready to install. The only bad thing is this one doesn't have a clip on it, if you can see. Like this one has a little notch on the clip so the plug can hold itself in. This one doesn't, so can't really hold itself in. I'm just gonna plug the light in. I took that little yellow thing that goes around the plug so water doesn't get in. I already put it in there. So now this plug should go in and hold itself pretty decently. Alright, we got it screwed in there. It's all good to go. Here it is. I just gotta wipe it off, but it's in there. This trim piece is a little messed up on the top. It's not really straight, but it's on there good and better than what it was. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on here and see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like when you press the brakes. I think it looks pretty good. Definitely better than the stock one.